Hello everyone, welcome to Aesthetic Food Tech. So in this video, I am going to discuss about classification of fatty acids. So let us begin with an introduction. What are fatty acids? Fatty acids are organic acids found in fats, and they are also called as carboxylic acids because they contain COOH group. The structure of fatty acids is that it contains chains of carbon atoms with methyl group at one end and carboxyl group, that is COOH group at other end. Next topic, classification of fatty acids. Fatty acids are classified into two based on the bond, type of bond present between carbon atoms of the fatty acid chain, and they are saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids. First one, saturated fatty acids. The carbon atoms in saturated fatty acids are linked by single bond, and also they are heavier, denser and more solid. Example is palmitic acid, and also in food source the perfect example is meat fat. Here I have given the structure of palmitic acid. You can clearly see the single bond that is existing between the carbon atoms of this fatty acid. Food sources of saturated fatty acid include dairy products such as butter, cream, milk, cheese. Meat such as liver, lamb, beef, pork, and other sources include coconut oil, palm oil, etc. Unsaturated fatty acids. The carbon atoms of unsaturated fatty acids are linked together by double bond. They are less heavier and less denser. Example is soybean oil. Based on the number of double bonds in unsaturated fatty acid, they are divided into two. First one is monounsaturated fatty acid. Second one is polyunsaturated fatty acid. Monounsaturated fatty acids. These are unsaturated fatty acids which contain one double bond between the carbon atoms of fatty acid chain. Example or sources include oleic acid present in olive oil and peanut oil, etc. Then fruit source is avocado. I have given the structure of oleic acid here, so you can clearly see the double bond that is present in the fatty acid chain. This oleic acid is also called as omega-9 fatty acid. Please keep it in mind. Polyunsaturated fatty acid. These are unsaturated fatty acid containing two or more double bonds between the carbon atoms of fatty acid chain. And the example include linolenic acid, that is omega-3 fatty acid, and linoleic acid, that is omega-6 fatty acid. Here I have given the structure of linoleic acid, so you can clearly see the presence of two or more double bonds in the fatty acid chain. The sources of polyunsaturated fatty acid include vegetable oils such as sunflower and safflower, also cottonseed, then nuts excluding coconut and cashew nuts, then margarians.